I don't know a whole lot about tuning cars. In fact, this Camaro is the first car that I've ever had tuned. And over the last year, I've barely driven it because I was told from my last tuner that the transmission was on its way out and it needed a complete performance rebuild for roughly $4,000. It was slipping, clunking, and completely inconsistent. I couldn't even get through the gears once without at least one of them acting up. But here I am, $550 later, doing some spirited driving on some country roads with no slipping whatsoever. I thought the guy that originally tuned my car knew what he was doing. He's been in business for over 30 years. He's always got cool cars sitting in front of his shop, and he seems extremely confident in his knowledge. But apparently, you can be a good mechanic and a bad tuner, because after getting this car back from him, it was nearly undrivable. And like I said earlier, he told me that he tried everything possible and that the transmission was mechanically in rough shape and it was going to be $4,000 to get it rebuilt. But ironically, after just a few hours with a new tuner, all those mechanical issues are gone and the car drives great. The new guy did recommend replacing the transmission valve body sooner than later, but that's a drop in the bucket compared to a complete rebuild. And in the meantime, I can drive it, which is nice. So I guess what I learned from this experience is that, number one, all tuners are not created equal. Number two, sometimes a good mechanic can be a bad tuner. Number three, do lots of research before trusting your car with a tuner. Number four, based on what I've read, it's best to have someone tune your car that's actually going to be inside your car, driving the car, and not just doing an online tune. I've never had an online tune, but I've heard some real horror stories about those too. And last but not least, regardless of how much research you've done and how much you trust your tuner, if you're faced with a big financial decision ahead, it might just be best anyway to get a second opinion because it could save you thousands. Have you had any negative experiences with tuners? Or do you have any good advice on how to find a good one? Myself and everybody watching would love to know, so please share your experience in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I would be honored if you would subscribe to the channel, and good luck with your future project.